Hello, I'm Nat Tucker from Make It Look Easy. Let's have a chat about how to create a simple palette into something much more engaging. I'm a hair color type. In the 4 color types in my Boss of Your Wardrobe program, each one of us have different neutrals that suit us the best. So, for instance, my color palette has crisp white and light grey as their best light neutral. Vibrant and creative go from ivory cream all the way putty, oatmeal to camel, but the color palette that has the most light neutrals is a hair color palette, which is exactly what I am. So just for example, here's the hair color palette's light neutrals, and here is the Vibrance best light neutrals. So you can see which is the color palette that has the most light neutrals. I'm just going to get rid of those. So the best way to build an amazing wardrobe when you have such a simple palette like the hair color palette is to buy items with lots of details in lots of different fabrications, different weights, different style elements, and mush them all together because they suit each other, they all suit you, and they all work together, okay? So for example, when I'm purchasing a simple cotton t-shirt in light grey, I will put that beautiful loose silhouette with some wonderful structured, more sewn in detailed pants. Now, these pants are droppies and not everybody loves droppies, but they work beautifully together. So that's using the beautiful, simple light grey through to creating a really exciting outfit. Then when it comes to a basic oatmeal t-shirt, which can then be layered underneath an oatmeal knit vest and an oatmeal blazer. So it's using that same soft, simple color palette, which really suits the hair color type, and creating those little details of texture and layering. So that's what I focus on with my hair wardrobe, whereas the eye color way will focus on bright colors, very strong, high impact, high contrast wardrobes, which suit them to a T. But I need more. I need more in the detail so that the palette really stands out and is extremely engaging in every single outfit. Now, what you will notice as well is all of these colors go together in your home. So if you're like me and love the soft, romantic, calm palette of the hair color type, you can layer all this in your home. So you just bring all the different textural differences in, some solid, some more see-through. Make sure we mix up our woods and we keep that soft palette and make it aesthetically pleasing through the layering in the different textures. I hope this tip helps you when you are building your very simple palette if you're a hair color type, or you understand now why the eye color palette is crisp white and light grey, and then it goes with all their beautiful bright colors. Then we have the vibrant and the creatives, which do have a fair few light neutrals, but not half as many as the hair color type. It's easy once you know how. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.